I saw got that day.
I did success. What I mean, I got. Big man, we cannot try you. I beg.
So over the weekends, it rained heavily in Ghana here, and there was flood. Places like Kumasi and Accra. We know a pool. Looking at how the place is flooded, no me cry me masheme. Amount for kiosks, ko se e dansonim obi car and so na afaso trucks like and so afa a dying in Ghana. We are still, I don't know, like we are not progressing. Anything about progressing, we are out. Cause how can you tell me this story? It's happening over year. Presidents come, president go. Another like change of government, but still, whenever it rains heavily in Ghana here, now who are wanting cry way? They say I could ride them and Sony row them. Just look at this video. And Saturday, it rains in Kumasi. Kumasi runabout, airport runabout. A whole now flooded. Just look at this. Sunday, if you are in Accra, Sunday around 2 p.m. It started drizzling and it was cloudy, so you would think it's normal rain. It's like 3 hours raining. The whole Accra is flooded. Hey, this is too much and it's dangerous. That means we are not safe. So or the BB say Accra the audience so like what? Damn! Like 1 minute I hadn't been flooded. Places like Shashi, Adenta, where Circle, where Dansoman, part of Dansoman. I mentioned Circle, right? Kaneshi, everywhere in Accra is flood. Even East Legon. Now, omo apartments, omutia in Dallas, omo flood. They all see choco. The whole place. When you go to East Legon, New Legon, East Legon, West Hills, everywhere is flooded. Share amount for fear like and so let timia alpha one so abedru window omo one story building na ase all the na flooded and even cars. I don't know so who car pan there wa Accra had there by now there will engine I say like truth to be told like engine best cause and so be racking looking at the videos on the streets. The whole street in Accra was flooded yesterday. This is dangerous. So if you're in Accra, you are not safe. Now you say first that sorry. Say so to ewo Accra high yes, see Obian shed them men pia cradian so to ye pia bontu na udna ko raga temen one no de wo call be and right now when you are in your home and so no betting nanti I was in your crying pure yes see dying yes see me crying now I'll be rather muzuru.
It's not that low. It's only level no do. Aba be pim top. Oh, dua kese. Oh, it's a dua kese no. See how it has become. The top. This is a bridge. Obi bridge away over the gutter. A sport. There's a
now I found your men now. And the landlords are not going to pay you because and looking at this thing, the whole drainage system is poor in Ghana. Cause yes, see that recently down some man here, I saw the police soldier men be for apartments say they've actually built in a drainage area. So like they shouldn't and then people were talking, no, my house. Now when it's raining, the whole place got flooded. Rain? No, I don't know. And my question is, those that always run to Accra, I mean, to find ends meet, I'm the head of the family, so I want to come to Accra and work. And Mama Hanumaya congested. Go back to your town. Go back to your town. Go back to where you are coming from. Because, I mean, the settlement is poor too. You understand? Obia, sorry, and Otuaka Krama, MC, Yana, Bibiana, Yamano Quina was seat dying, na or they rent it, na Amafwa, but ye doson wa Accra. So, like, and I feel so, a binum a year and ra, ball or chicha, no, the shagatim. We all know, so when it's rain, the gutters are choked, bottles, rubbers, and we are causing it. And our friends share of anchor barrier. Look at this. It's something serious, so but like we are saying it in, I don't know how you are taking it, but udia and two ebia where you are no and so ember with them with that cause people them are laptops, people them are the beds or bed no asoki or television, anything. Now talking about those shops, wigs, electrical shops, home appliances and everything, they're all gone. And so to me peja obi kiosk na danson him sa ma for
and one my phone call me that the water calma kiosk go.
Hey Ghana, I mean we have to carry the city go somewhere, like if I come upper west and east be more baby now among near city no, cause Accra here is congested. Poor drainage system. Gata ya ni kitingiti. Gata Accra obi the store crisis so. Amani foundation in so to ayembe fahin. Like we are not making things right. I don't know. Maybe the government too. They be sitting idle. So we know what happened years back. June 3rd, what happened? And we didn't do anything about it. Still now, since so to May, April, May, June, July, and so to as I say Accra. I had no edani see. Poo. Se pon on so a na inadane fish na yedwarim. It has becoming unbecoming. Like this one, you talk about it, but as enko baby, bloggers are talking about it, TV stations, news reporters, everybody is complaining. Even normal citizens, we are complaining. Now MC, I don't know, say ABR president now. Members of parliament no and so be wrong them and say wrong come and say some engineer. They will understand where we are coming from and how it is, how the pain it is, how painful it is. Cause imagine what I go to TV set. Well, East Legon for crown of here more because answer now behind die East Legon, you are paying in dollars and stuff, their apartment and everything. And when it rains, when it's rain, I would not make phone you now say a honum na flood. Enti I would not flood and some of phone now but they are not sleeping at peace. Cause a home and sweet chair for some phone now so be goofy. This is not healthy. The city of Ghana. Hey, like for real. Guys, I don't know what like it has collect my hand. I always say this and say it again. It has collect my hand because if you go to what do you call it? Red Cove Flats, that place too is flooded. No, omo wa Abronsaina city na flooded. Who was road there you are okay, but a flooded to the extent say a real windows nim ama a right inside. Hey, this is getting out of hand. I don't know. The government should do something about it. We won't say baby na yes not move for na e be rise obi obi TV ne near say shop owners ni omunyema say no not yet not move for but what affected then come for this. Meanwhile, we can do something to stop it. Stop those who are building at the drainage area. Stop them. Na so bi so a build wo ho no ma yen kan che no bubu dan ni nyina. Cause it's too much. Like, why? And when you go to Agbogba Road, Agbogba area, the whole place is flooded. Mention not Ashiye Fulani around Adenta area, the whole place is flooded to the point that they have to call a fire service to rescue a woman and a kiddie. And yes, I can so let's watch that video. Look at this. No, Ghana, but fire service, you did a great job. Your boy and say mom. But must we all seek security service and those things while we can stop it? Must we? Oh, I'm telling you, this is very bad. And when you go to Circle to Nsawam Road, Nsawam to Circle Road, like Kano and Ko and Ebiaba, and the other road, the whole place is flooded. You watch it. Hacho Domekwabenya Road, the whole place is flooded. I mentioned it in Awudomekra flooded. Oh, Ghana. No. Something must be done, cause this is so crazy. To the extent that, like, you can't step outside. Like 3 hour rain, 3 hours rainfall. Now the beer flooding like this, like from, I don't know, from Circle to where? Accra here. I'm sure by now some people are in their homes actually packing and packing their things and helping, I don't know, cleaning and making sure that their things are organized together again, because nobody will work. Because what happened? Hey. We are praying like things will work out in this country, because this is actually getting out of hand. And I don't know who to be blamed. Whether we the normal citizen, I mean how we dump our refuse, or the MCs, those who are in power, those who are the authority to make sure they build at a right place so that it won't block any drainage or anything. I don't know who to be blamed. But I'm telling normal Ghanaian citizen here that if you're in Accra and you have a place at your village or anything, please run go, because Accra is not safe anymore. Because when it rains, your life is at stake. What do you think about this whole flooding thing? Just share your comments at the comment section. Me now, it has collected my hand. I'm so speechless and I don't know what to tell you about this. So share your comments at the comment section. I'm Evelyn and this is Jadolin Studio. Please don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to our all socials. Until then, see you next time.